Hi guys, welcome to Renji's vlog. Today I share to you what we do today. This morning I sent Renji to school. Is quite late, but tomorrow we tried our best to go school before 8. Then after I sent him this morning, I go market, buy some things to cook for lunch and also for dinner. Then I fish him early by 2 o'clock, before 2 o'clock, because today he got the badminton 3 to 5. Then I fish him before 5, go back home, and then he play in the playground. That's all. Thank you. Bye. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.